Hey, here we go. Shout out Dr. H, PdBio 120. We got Clair, Patience, Scott, and Tay Wood on the record tables. Hey, and turn it into glucose to take the light. Hey, or maybe RUBP from the light. Hey, and water and some CO2 and light. Hey, we call it photosynthesis, that's right. The light, glucose from light, photosynthesis. Take light, glucose from light, just taking the light. The chloroplast stacked as granules if you ask. I tell you yeah, but take a look, the membrane has the biggest task. It's weird I know because the past is photosystem 1 that's last. So start in photosystem 2, 10 a complex perfect match.
Feed and fight and chlorophyll together, catching sun for real to energize the electrons, excited up and then they're gone. On the chain, the transport chain between the systems on membrane.
With work to bring the H plus in, do work against the gradient. The electrons need energy, so plastocyanin agrees to take them to the system 1 to chlorophyll ferredoxin.
To help our NADP plus put on another hydrogen. Behind the scenes, the H plus is moved through the ATP synthase. Kinetic energy is made to add on to a new phosphate to ADP. Now ATP, which leads the light to other things. Now this completes the processes. Photosystems 2 and 1. We need the light to make it right. Not so in dark reaction. Hey, turn it into glucose to take the light. Hey, or maybe RUBP from the light. Hey, and water and some CO2 and light. Hey, we call it photosynthesis, that's right. The light, glucose from light, photosynthesis. Take light, glucose from light, just taking the light. Let's shake a RBP 5 carbons along with 2 phosphate, meeting up with CO2 to make it all happen for you. Then cleave the chain and after C2, now there's 2 or 3 and 3.
With 1 phosphate attached, which just gives 2 phosphoglycerates, and use the energy inside the bonds of NADP, plus energy inside the bonds of ATP,
which gives us NADP plus and ADP. Yes, it's a must to rearrange the phosphates on the glycerates. It's almost done to make a molecule. You see, it's called the awesome GTP. If you want some energy to do everything you need, then wrap it up and make glucose or break a bond from ATP to make the key of what you'll need to keep the Calvin cycle in. It's indeed a RUBP. Now that's a wrap for energy needed. That is synthesizing CO2 which lung despises with some water. It creates our oxygen and glucose case. Photosynthesis is great. Now have a happy holiday. Hey, turn it into glucose to take the light. Hey, or maybe RUBP from the light. Hey, and water and some CO2 and light. Hey, we call it photosynthesis, that's right. The light, glucose from light, photosynthesis. Take light, glucose from light, just taking the light.